shadows of the night, where the broken soul still searching for the light. Hands to the sky, but my feet on the street. Every heartbeat like a drum, steady and deep. Through the struggle and the pain, I still believe. Every breath is a blessing I receive. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Pray with me, pray with me. When the world turns cold, when the truth gets buried and the lies get sold. I've been walking through the fire, no fear in my chest. Raza Damar, my voice, put my faith to the test. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I carry that flame. Every scar, every loss, still I rise in His name. Pray with me, oh yeah, pray with me. Pray with me, feel the bass line, pray. Let the rhythm guide your soul through the darkest day. No chains on the spirit, no lock on the mind. Only truth in the words that we leave behind. From the streets to the sky, let the message fly free. Every voice, every heart, say it. Pray with me, pray with me. Oh yeah, pray with me. Pray with me till the morning come, till the war inside finally overcome. I don't bow to the fear, I don't kneel to the lies. Only stand with the truth as the system denies. Raza Damar rising, hear the echo in time. Dub spirit forever in this voice of mine. Oh